In this video, I want to talk about how we construct a congruent line segment. So to begin with, imagine we're given a line segment. You can see I've drawn one here, and we're asked to create a line segment that is exactly the same length. Well, remember from previous work that constructions can only be done with two tools, a straight edge and a compass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my compass. And the compass, because that's one of our tools, this is what we use to measure. We don't use a ruler. So I'm going to drag this like this to be the exact length of my segment. Well, now if I take this, I kind of move it. Let's say I create a point. I say, well, let's just draw a little point here. And I want to create a congruent line segment to my original one. And that's going to be one of the points, the end points of my line segment. Well, then all I would need to really do is draw a little arc. I wouldn't even need the whole circle. And then I can move this aside. And I'm going to draw a line that starts at my end point and ends on my arc. And I know that those two segments, the one that I was presented with and the one I made, had the exact same length. And the reason I know that is because I use my compass to ensure that original length, and remember every point on the arc of the circle will be the same distance away. And if you need a verification of that, we can easily measure that. Again, that's kind of against what we want to do, but you see just over 6. Just over 6. So we were able to construct a congruent line segment using only a straight edge, my line segment drawer, and a compass. We don't need a ruler. We can just use the compass to make sure that length is the same. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more geometry content.